If you're a creator hoping to earn revenue through the YouTube Partner Program, it's essential to understand what makes content advertiser-friendly. YouTube's advertiser-friendly content guidelines are designed to ensure that videos, shorts, live streams, thumbnails, titles, descriptions, and tags are suitable for a wide range of advertisers. Not every upload is eligible for ad revenue, and some topics or elements can lead to limited or no ads or even complete demonetization. Certain types of content are considered unsuitable for most advertisers. For example, frequent or prominent use of inappropriate language, especially at the start or throughout most of a video, may affect your eligibility. Violence is another key area. Videos that focus heavily on blood, injury, or graphic harm without educational, news, or artistic context are less likely to be monetized. Similarly, explicit adult content, shocking or disturbing imagery, and themes that promote or glorify dangerous acts or unreliable information are not considered advertiser-friendly. YouTube also restricts monetization for content involving hate speech, discrimination, or the humiliation of individuals or groups. Satire and comedy may be treated differently, but simply claiming comedic intent does not guarantee eligibility. Videos that promote the use or sale of recreational drugs, firearms, tobacco, or other regulated substances are typically excluded from ad revenue, as are those focused on enabling dishonest behavior like hacking or cheating. Sensitive events, such as natural disasters, acts of terrorism, or ongoing conflicts, are also subject to strict rules, even if the content is presented without graphic imagery. Content made specifically for children must meet high standards for family friendliness and quality. Ultimately, context is crucial. Educational, documentary, or artistic presentations of sensitive subjects may be treated more leniently. However, repeated or serious violations of these guidelines can lead to demonetization of your entire channel. Following these principles helps create a safe, advertiser-friendly environment for everyone on YouTube.